Are you wondering what to do if your A9 mini security camera is not staying connected properly, or also loses the connection, or also lags very badly? For example, if you check basically my image here, so you see how incredibly laggy it is. So you see it's barely even working here. And also sometimes the app really just gives up and the camera doesn't work and doesn't connect anymore. So as you see also it says poor network. So the most common issue is why this happens is you're simply using it in the IP mode, in the Wi-Fi mode essentially. So basically there are two different modes how you can use the camera. First, you can actually connect the camera directly to your phone using the local mode, and then it's actually very fast and responsive. And the second mode is basically you are connecting your camera to a Wi-Fi network, your router. It's basically uploading the footage online, and then basically in this app you're seeing the footage actually from online servers, and that's why it's so incredibly laggy and also so bad basically. So as you see, yeah, absolutely almost like unusable in my opinion if you want to see. So yeah, let me show you how to fix it. So first I simply want to remove this camera basically from here from this app. So disconnect and wipe date. So, and next what you want to do is you want to again place it in a pairing mode. So you see it's not blinking. To place it in a pairing mode, you simply click and hold the mode button for maybe like 6 or 7 seconds. You see the camera shuts down, resets itself, resets all the settings, and clear basically the connection. Then what you have to do is you simply have to first go in your Wi-Fi settings. So click on details, and as you see this camera creates its own Wi-Fi network that we can connect directly to. So it will ask for the password. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in the manual, so you see also in the manual it says the password of it. So if you look, okay, so let's click connect, and then we wait a bit. So continue waiting. It will say connected without internet. So still wait, it's not connected yet. Yep, always connect. And you see once it says connected without internet, this is okay. So we launch the app again. So you can maybe like exit and start again if it doesn't work. So we're gonna like refresh it. So you see, and the camera automatically like connects. Also cancel this. You do not want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. I mean the like IP, like remote viewing. So you see the same menu here, but if you click here, the camera loads, but as you see just how insanely fast and responsive it is. So you see pretty much instant now, and nothing lags, and you see just how nice it is. So you see pretty much instant, right? So yeah. I see no problems there. Also the picture quality also is much better, and in this mode we can even use it in the Ultra HD mode here as well. For example, if you set, so if you check the quality in this Ultra HD, again it will give you even like better video quality here. So I see actually very decent for such cheap camera. So that's the most common issue why this happens. Also, if you still can't figure out, so again what I suggest to is simply maybe uninstall the app, so whatever the app is for you, and again maybe like again do the reset, so hold the mode and simply again connect to it again. Also obviously make sure you are giving all the permissions, basically like all the Bluetooth settings, access to the camera app, and then it should work. So for most part it's fairly reliable in this local mode, but again in the IP like Wi-Fi mode where it connects to the servers and uploads data that way, again it's like very bad in my opinion. Okay, good luck.